I'm making this video for the second time for the sake of those who still argue that the solution to this question is 40. We are asked to find the value of m. Now, let us go back to our theorem of circle that says that the angle at the center is twice that angle that is at the circumference. Now, let's go back. Now, if you have a circle like this and there is an arc AB, this arc AB subtends this angle here at the center. Now, if the same arc AB subtends another angle at the circumference, then we are saying that that angle at the circumference will be half of the one at the center, while the one at the center will be 2 times the one at the circumference. This is the theorem. Okay, so please let's take note of this theorem. Let me show you something about this theorem. If I decide to join these 2 points A and B with a straight line with a chord, what can you notice? You notice that because of this chord I've created, you can easily identify 2 triangles. You can identify this triangle, this smaller one here, and then you can identify this bigger one here, right? Good. Now, what do they have in common? What does these 2 triangles, what do they have in common? They have the base AB in common. And why this one subtends to the center, the apex of this one leads to the center, the apex of this other triangle leads to the circumference. So this is how to identify this theorem that says that the angle at the center will be twice the one at the circumference. They must share the same chord as their base line. Okay, now let's come back to this. The chord that is subtending this angle M is this chord CQ. Let me join it. If I join this Q and C, it is this chord that is subtending angle M. Now, this same chord is subtending another angle here, and that is 15. So this theorem now that I've just explained here works for this. It therefore means that the angle at the circumference, because this is the angle at the circumference, just like this one at the circumference, is sharing the same chord with this one at the center. So this one at the circumference has a chord, is sharing the same chord with this one, M, at the center. So which means your M will be 2 times the one at the circumference, which is 2 times 15. And our answer is 30 degrees. Now the answer, most people say that the answer is 20 times, which is 40 degrees. No. Why? Because if you trace down the chord or the arc that's subtending angle 20, it is this chord AQ. It is not having the same chord as the one subtending the center. So this is just a redundant angle. We don't need it to be able to get the value of M, okay? Because it is a different arc entirely, a different chord entirely that is subtending angle 20. It is not the same chord CQ that subtends M that also subtends AQ. No. CQ subtends M, CQ also subtends 15. But 15 is at the circumference. Therefore, the one at the center will be 2 times the one at the circumference. Do you understand now? So for those of you who say that the answer to this problem is 40 degrees, please, it is wrong. The answer is 30 degrees. I hope I've explained this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.